Hello, and welcome to Postal Flight Academy. Today we'll be exploring Postal Salesforce Triggers and learning how to automate sending postal items through actions in your Salesforce instance. Before we begin, we want to make sure that your Salesforce integration is completed and the managed package is installed. Please refer to our earlier Flight Academy articles for assistance in how to complete that setup. To begin, navigate to your Actions tab and select Triggers. From this page, you can monitor and manage existing triggers or be prompted to create a new trigger. You'll start by creating a name for your trigger and selecting the integration. The trigger action allows you to select what you want the trigger to achieve. Your options include send a postal item, start a postal subscription, stop a subscription, and do nothing. For initial testing, we recommend selecting the do nothing action as it won't actually send an item, but will allow you to monitor the trigger action. The trigger type will allow you to determine what criteria the trigger will execute on. For Salesforce, your options are event data, opportunity, and task. The trigger filters will allow you to configure the trigger recipe. Filters are used to determine when a value is set or when a transition has occurred within your dataset. If you want the trigger to fire when a transition happens, you'll want two filter criteria, one with a previous value and one with a current value. You'll see an example here on a stage change to close one. While you can add as many filters as you want, we recommend avoiding trigger filter complexity. Once your trigger is named and the action type and filters have been configured, you can click Create Trigger to see that it will be added to your existing triggers for monitoring. The key thing to note is the hit count on the right-hand side. This will allow you to determine when and how your trigger is hitting and allow you to delve deeper into the contacts that the trigger hit for. To monitor a specific trigger, you can click into the trigger, monitor the activity, and even edit existing triggers if you'd like to make an update. We hope this helps, and if you have any other questions, please reach out to your postal representative.